Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel JIS and RS Report. Today I will discuss about how to select, how to filter a specific satellite image data set, then filter a single image and speci filter a single image and select a specific band for our require. So we will discuss now step by step. So first of all, we search our specific data set. Suppose I will search the Landsat 5 data set. Landsat 5 already I copied this data set. Um, Suppose we search this data set Landsat 5 data set Landsat 5 collection to tier 1. So we simply copy, simply press in this button, and we all details available here. USGS Landsat 5 level 2 collection to tier 1 description. This dataset contain automatically corrected surface reflectance SR, that means surface reflected, and land surface temperature derived from this data produced by the Landsat TM sensor. These images contain four visible and near infrared (VNIR) bands and two short wave infrared (SWIR) bands. Proceed to authenticated surface reflectance and one thermal infrared (TIR) band process to other certified surface temperature. This also contain intermediate bands used in calculation of the ST product as well as QA bands. Okay, so this dataset availability year of 1984 March to year of 2000 2012 May. So dataset provider USGS. This dataset collection snippet, the e.image collection Landsat LT5C02 tier 1. So we simply copy this collection snippet or click to the import button. So we simply copy this collection snippet and paste in our code editor. So now we set a variable name. Suppose we take a variable name is L5. That means Landsat 5 collection to tier 1. Then we take another variable. Suppose image. We call this data set full data set L5. Simply copy this data set. So simply call the variable name. All the satellite image Landsat 5 image collection to tier 1 image collection is stored in the variable name we set L5. So simply we call this variable name L5. Then we use our specific region of interest, our examine region of interest. Suppose we use for this we use filter bounds function automatically when we click control and space our geometry. So suppose we set randomly for our study area. Suppose we select our study area is, sorry, okay, suppose our we set our study area in a rectangle. We draw a rectangle. Suppose this is our study area. So now automatically one line added in our code editor. So default variable name is geometry. Okay, there are a polygon for vertices. So we already put this automatically put here this geometry. Then now we check how many images available in this study area. So suppose we use print function for printing. So variable argument name. So suppose we this and Landsat 5 images stored in the variable name L5. Then we filter the filter bound function for our specific region of interest. So we call this in variable name for our specific region image. Simply copy and paste here. So now we click to the run for show the number of images. When you click the run image collection computing. Then we use size function for see in integer number of image. Now we click to the run number only 1800 images available in this period of time in the in our region of interested area or our study area. Now we select our now we select our filter date function for our specific period of time image. Filter date function. So filter date function start and end automatically this period of time for start time and end time. So already I put this data set in here. So the data set availability year of 1984 to year of 2012. So we set this data set this time period. Suppose year of 2010 1st January to year of 2010 31 December. So we use must be single quote for the specific time period because JavaScript is a case sensitive. We set this time period in a single quote or double quote. So now we when we print this two line of code. So suppose we only 67 images available here in this period of time when we use filter date function. Now we are filtering our low cloud pixel percentage image for a better looking and better examination. Suppose we now we use filter metadata function. Filter metadata. So which is the filter metadata? Already this data set provide all image properties. Cloud cover. Cloud cover means percentage cloud cover 0 to 1, minus 1 is not calculated. So this is our cloud pixel percentage we set here. So this is the cloud pixel percentage, the cloud cover. Image properties simply copy, then paste here after metadata name function metadata. So cloud cover operator we set less than. Suppose we need to less than 1% or less than 5% or less than 10% cloud pixel images. So suppose we set the 10% cloud pixel. So when we click to the run, we found only 32 images for less than 10% cloud cover. When you select the less than 1%, that means less than 1% or low cloud pixel percentage images, sorry, when we click the run, only 18 images, only 18 images available here in this period of time. So this is our Landsat for uh, rememorize. This is our Landsat 5 image collection. Then we select or filter our specific region of interest, our specific region. Then we select our date for a specific date, year of 2010 to in 1st January to year of 2010 31 December. Then we filter our for low cloud pixel or low cloud pixel percentage image. So this is this cloud cover image property is available in this data set. This cloud cover, simply copy, then put here. Then we less than 1% or less than 2% or less than, suppose we when we select less than 5% or less than 1% image available, 18, only 18 image. So suppose when we set less than 5% cloud cover, when we click to run, so we 27 image of less than cloud less than uh, mm, 5% available here. So we select low cloud pixel percentage for less than 1. So only 18 image available here. So when you show all the image show in as a in a console tab, so we all the images, all the 18 images element, feature element, image id, all this image available here. This zero means first image, one means second image. So this image, all that, all information provided here. So image id, this is our image Landsat 5 collection to tier 1 image that is captured on year of 2010 8 8 February. This is a first image captured. Then second image captured year of 2010 15 May, and each image each image 19 band available here. The 90 band all band are available here: SRB1, SRB2, SRB3, SRB4, B5, B7, all the band available here in our single images, single satellite images. So now we select one image from here and select in every single band for each images. Suppose already I put in another code editor one images, this image id, uh, suppose we select randomly one image. Okay, so randomly select our fourth image. Suppose we select randomly fourth image. This image id Landsat 5 in dataset, from dataset this image capture year of 2010 30 January. Okay, simply copy this image id and put here. Suppose we set this image id variable name. Already I write in another code editor. Suppose we, okay, suppose this is our first image. Okay, so now simply copy this image id and paste here. Okay, suppose this is our first image, or suppose when you select our first image, this is our first image id. So simply copy from this image id, simply copy and paste here. So this is our first image, captured image for year of 2010, 8 February. Okay, so remove from this image id from here. Okay, this is our first image. Now we select every band every band for these images. Suppose we set first band be SR B1 band or SR B2 band. So now on when we when we select when we select this band, already I put here for this band. So suppose we use our map.add layer function for as a image layer. So suppose simply copy already our first image here, or we put here. Suppose we print this image. This is our first image. Simply copy, then paste here. When you run, this is our total image collection for this function, for total image collection of Landsat. And this is our geometry, region of interested area, then year of 2010, then year of cloud pixel percentage less than 1%. This is all image collection, only 18 in image. From here we only select one image as a layer. Suppose we copy this image id from 18 images, and then we put in another uh, layer. So this is our first image of this filtered collection. So this is the image all information 2000 image captured time year of 2010 8 February. This is image. Then now we select the specific band for these images. Suppose we already I write a code for this collection. So map.add layer first image band. So simply copy and paste here. Okay, now I describe this easily. So map.add layer function, map.add layer for adding add image layer as a layer. So now we use map.add layer, then we call this single images image first image. Then we select first image, then we use the band. The bands, our bands is SR1 band. Suppose we select SR1 band, and then we set minimum pixel per minimum value 8,000 and maximum value 17,000, and layer name layer 1. When we click to the run, our layer name is show here, layer 1. We set our layer name. Okay, so this is our one selected images, selected image from 18 images. Okay, now we select SRB1 band in for these images. Okay, so now we select okay, we simply copy this layer name and add another layer. Suppose we in first another layer and another band. Suppose we call this first image, then we select another band. Suppose we select B2 band, and then minimum value and maximum value and layer uh, same, and layer name is set layer 2. When you click the run, our two layer available for these images. Two layer available for these images, layer 1. Okay, this is our two layer of, that means two band. One image element B1 SRB1 band, and another is SRB2 band. This is the uh, B1 SRB1 band, and this is SRB2 band. Okay. So now when I select another band. Suppose for this image, first images, we select the B3 band, B3 or B4, all available band in this data set. Suppose SRB1, SRB2, SRB3, SRB4, and SRB5, B7, all band we specifically select in our image. So suppose we select the band 3 name, band 3, layer 3. When you layer 3 and click to the run, so our 3 layer of images available here. Okay. This is our layer 1, that means SRB1 band. This is our SRB2 band, and this is SRB3 band. Okay, a 3 layer available. This is the process for a single image filtered from this provide data set. Then we select every single band set in every images. This is the process for band select for every satellite images. Okay. When okay, we back in my previous topic. So now we select our region of interested area for this time period and cloud cover. Total 18 images available here. Total 18 images available here. So now okay, this is our geometry. So now we select the map dot add layer function as add a layer. Map dot add layer dot object. Suppose we select our layer name image, simply copy, then paste here. Visualization parameter, when visualization parameter not set, when we select the visualization parameter, then we put our visualization parameter name. So suppose when we click to the run, our one layer available here. Now we randomly select. This is our study area. So all provided, all available 18 images in captured in this area. So now we use our median function for average image value. So we use median function. So on a median function, our average or median value show here. Okay. Or you use as a mosaic function, mosaic for a single image, a mosaic, all the image set as a mosaic. Okay, so we use our median function for a median image composite. Then okay, so now set our band combination for these images. Suppose we select B4, B3, and B2 band, 98%, and apply. So this import our visualization parameter, another code line available here. So simply copy and put after the layer name. Okay, so we set our visualization parameter. We set another visualization parameter for view. We use and then another function, median function, median mode function. For this our region of required geometry set our required geometry, then we filter date function, filter metadata, then median image or composite for use median function, then we add a function, a map dot center object function. Map dot center object, the object name is our geometry ROI, or we set this name geometry, our region of interest ROI. So we simply copy an object name, set geometry, zoom level we set 14 or 13. Then we not necessary things simply remove from this code. Then we click the run. Now we need to clip our region of interest area. When you use clip function, this image clip our region of interested area for only for sorry clip in layer name, in a layer name clip. Okay, so we use our clip function for our region of interest area clipping. So we use clip function, clip our clip area is our this study area. Simply copy and paste here. So now we click the run. So now we have our region of only region of interested area clipped image show in our map interactive view. This is our region of interested area. Now we select another band combination, another band combination B3, B2, B1, stress 98%, then apply. So we select a different band combination and show here. Oh, this is the process of filter image, or only one image, only select from this only one image and select a specific band in our specific captured images. So today is no more. Thanks for watching.